Dear students, hope you are all well. So, students, in the last class, we learnt about Krishna Dev Raya. He was reigning the kingdom of Vijayanagar. The Bahamani kingdom came into existence in 1347 CE, and Hassan Gangu was the first sultan of the Bahamani kingdom. Then we learnt about Chand Bibi, Babur, Maharana Pratap, and Rani Durgavati, about the various works they took over. Let's move forward. Next, we will learn about Aurangzeb. Now, who was Aurangzeb? Aurangzeb won the war of succession amongst other sons of Sahajan and became the emperor by detaining his father in 1658 CE. Succession means one after another. At this time, the Mughal Empire extended from Kashmir in the north up to Ahmednagar in the south, and from Kabul in the west up to Bengal in the east. To this, Aurangzeb added Assam in the east and the regions of Adil Shahi of Bijapur in the south and Qutub Shahi of Golconda after he ended these kingdoms. Let's move forward. Next, we have conflict with the Ahoms. Now, Ahoms are people from Assam. Now, what is Ahoms and who are the Ahom people? Now, in the 13th century CE, the people of Shan communities settled down means they were staying in the valley of river Brahmaputra. They established their kingdom there. They stayed over there and their kingdoms also were established over there. They were locally known as Ahom people. Students, while Aurangzeb ruled, the Ahoms had a prolonged struggle. Prolonged struggle means they were continuously struggling. Okay, with the Mughals. The Mughals attacked the Ahoms region. The Ahoms united under the leadership of Gadadhar Sinha. Commander Lachit Borphukan gave an intense battle. Means he was fighting very fiercely. He gave an intense battle against the Mughals. The Ahoms used the guerrilla technique in the conflict against the Mughals, means against in the fight with the Mughals. Now, what is guerrilla technique? The guerrilla technique is nothing but it is a form of irregular warfare. Warfare means conflict between two enemies or armies in which a small group of combatants such as the armed civilians and irregular use of military tactics means the plans, it became impossible for the Mughals to create a strong base in Assam. So it became impossible for the Mughals to fight against the Ahoms people. It became impossible for them to fight, and they had a strong base in Assam. Let's move forward. Next, we have conflict with the Sikhs. The ninth Guru of the Sikh, Guru Tej Bahadur, protested strongly against Aurangzeb's policy of religious intolerance. Aurangzeb imprisoned him and beheaded him, means killed him in 1675 CE. Now, after him, Guru Gobind Singh became the Guru of the Sikhs. As I told you before, if anyone dies in that particular family, the other person takes over. Became the Guru of the Sikhs. Guru Gobind Singh organized his followers and encouraged their martial spirit. He started encouraging them. Now, what their martial spirit means? Mind and attitude, using that. He organized the Sikh youth into a fighting force called the Khalsa Dal. The headquarters were at Anandpur. Aurangzeb sent his army to fight against the Sikhs. His army attacked Anandpur, although the Sikh fought fiercely. Fiercely means in a powerful way. They did not succeed. After that, Guru Gobind Singh came to the Deccan in 1708 CE. There was an attempt on his life, means they wanted to kill him. There was an attempt on his life when he was at Nanded. Soon after the Guru succumbed to his wounds. Succumbed means he died in the war. Next. Next, we have conflict with the Rajputs. Now, Akbar had secured the cooperation of the Rajput with his policy of amicable relations. Amicable relationship means friendly relationships he had kept. Aurangzeb could not obtain the cooperation of Rajputs. Now, after the death of Rana Jaswant Singh of Marwar, Aurangzeb annexed his kingdom, means he took possession over that kingdom. He annexed his kingdom to the Mughal Empire. Durgadas Rathod crowned Jaswant Singh's minor son means the small son, Ajit Singh as the king of Marwar. Durgadas Rathod fought hard against the Mughals. Aurangzeb sent Prince Akbar to Marwar to crush the resistance of Durgadas. Prince Akbar joined hand with Rajputs and rose in revolt means fight against Aurangzeb. An effort was made to seek help from the Marathas in Maharashtra. Now you know who's Marathas, right? Marathas are the armies of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Marathas in Maharashtra in this revolt. Durgadas Rathod continued his struggle against the Mughals for the existence of Marwar. So Durgadas Rathod kept on struggling. Next. Next is the conflict with the Marathas. Now, in Maharashtra, Swaraj was established under the leadership of who? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. As you all know, Swaraj was established under the leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now, in his efforts to establish Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj had to fight against the Mughals. Now, who are Mughals? Had to fight against Aurangzeb. He had to fight against the Mughals too along with the other enemies. Aurangzeb came down to the Deccan after the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj with the intention of conquering the whole of South India. So what Aurangzeb thought that after the death of Shivaji Maharaj, I will start conquering the places of South India. But the Marathas offered stiff resistance, means strong resistance. They did not allow him to conquer. Stiff resistance to Aurangzeb and defended their independence He did not the Shivaji after Shivaji Maharaj that they gave a strong resistance. Now students, as we saw in this lesson, many rulers, there were many different types of rulers and their different ruling powers. As I told you, if one person used to die from the family, the other person used to start ruling after that. So after in this lesson we learned the many rulers and their ruling powers, and also the time period they ruled for, means for how many years did they rule for. Let's move forward. That is your homework, is you have to find the answers of these questions. The first one is Aurangzeb became the emperor in dash. The second one is Swaraj was established under the leadership of dash. And the third one is write about the conflict with the Marathas. Your chapter ends over here. We will learn the next chapter in the next video. Thank you for listening, children. Goodbye. Take care.